as a quick one, a huge one. The Uganda People's Defense Force was about to make a big record, to set a record. Recent years have seen UPDF not being the official people in charge of monitoring the elections. But the UPDF this time around has shown interest in being the ones to monitor the coming election, that is 2026 general election. And the parliament has rejected to give them the official fund. Parliament rejected a request by the UPDF for shillings 138 billion to monitor the 2026 general elections, arguing that elections monitoring falls within mandate of Uganda Police Force and recommended to have any funds allocated to the army for this activity to be channeled towards police. The UPDF defended the expenditure, arguing that the funds will be used for operation and the army will offer protection to MPs as they are on trail. But some MPs rejected the request over fears that such a move would lead to the militarizing of the elections. So that is it. UPDF offered to defend or to protect the MPs on this case, but the MPs said no, you will change this election to become a military-based election. But over the recent years, if you have a fact check, it is clear UPDFs have been monitoring the election, but not officially. And this time around, they wanted the funding to go direct to them. The difference that the parliament made is, we will not make you receive the official funding for election monitoring. So any funding, current, previous, or still being in the plan, will go direct to the Uganda police. But they have not ruled out. So maybe they're saying, if you want now to deal with the police, go to the police, say, guys, let's work together, or give us the lead on this thing. So this is a huge thing, a huge one. But we'll get to know how things falls